Hey everyone, it's Justin here. Thanks for watching. In this video, I'm going to show you behind the scenes on setting up the PPM collaboration or Project and Portfolio Management collaboration plugin for Slack and for Microsoft Teams. Now, in a video, I'll link to it up above, In a video, I'm actually going to show the integration and how it works. In this video, I wanted to give an insider's tip on how to get set up really fast. Now, with that application or with that plugin, what it comes with is a bunch of flows. And if you'll notice behind me here, all of these flows are set to active equals false. Now, they're all published in Flow Designer, but what they're doing is they don't want to just turn all this stuff on automatically when you install the plugin and give you the discretion about what exactly gets turned on. Like, are you going to use the risk flow? Are you going to use the daily project status flow? Are you going to use the action created flow? Are you going to use the change request flow? There's a bunch of them here out of the box. Now, if you're like me and you're just like, well, I don't know if I want to use it or not because I don't know what it does, you may want to go in and look at it, poke around. And traditionally, in order to say, yes, I want to use it, you would open up one of these in Flow Designer. You'd let Flow Designer pull in all the information about that flow, the trigger, the actions, the conditions, and all that stuff that ServiceNow has nicely already configured for us. And you'll notice I've got to sit here and I've got to do a little bit of waiting. Now, this is typical with Flow Designer. It's a really good application, but there's some wait times when you're opening, saving, and publishing flows within the tool. If you did decide that you wanted to use this, what you would need to do is come in here and activate it, right? Since it's actually inactive at the moment, you would need to set that to active in order for that flow to start working. Or you can do what I'm about to show you, and it's an easy way. So I'm going to go out to, well, actually, first of all, what I want you to do is make sure your application scope, if you're about to do what I'm going to show you, is set to PPM collaboration. Then I want you to go to the flows, but a different way. So we're going to go sys_hub_flow.list. I'm typing in a table name followed by .list, which will take me to the list of all the flows inside of ServiceNow. Now I'm actually going to look for where I added the application field to this particular view. It's not there by default, so remember, you can change your fields or your columns using the setting icon up here in San Diego, and I'm interested in the application PPM collaboration and all the flows it came with. Now notice I've got on top basically all my Microsoft Teams flows that I want active. So I've got archiving and risk and all that stuff I just showed you, but I don't want any of the Slack stuff activated. In fact, I already have some of it activated with this, these other things here, but I'm just going to show you a quick way. Notice here under active, we've got all of these issues, change request decisions. I'm just going to hold down my shift key on the keyboard. I'm going to click on this one, highlight all of these for Microsoft Teams. I'm going to double check and make sure I'm not doing anything I don't want to do. So it's all Teams, and I'm just going to double click. I'm going to change 11 rows to true. Hit that check mark, and now all of those will update to being active, and I no longer have to pull each one of these up within Flow Designer in order to activate those and make sure they're working. Now, it still might take a second to activate from here, as you're seeing there with a little spinning wheel that direction. That's okay, that's expected. There's some stuff happening behind the scenes as those get activated, but at least I didn't have to open up each one of those flows in Flow Designer, wait for it to load, click the activate button, save, close it, go in, find the next one, save. So you saw how fast that just went there. Now let's head back over to Flow Designer. So we'll just go here and we'll close out of there and let the flows load up again, and we'll see now that they're all active equals true, and I didn't have to go through all that opening and closing. So that's an insider tip for setting up PPM collaboration. If you haven't watched my videos showing how that works in Project and Portfolio Management and Microsoft Teams, please check it out. If you found this video helpful, and I hope you did, please like, please subscribe, or share with somebody you think might be interested. Until next time, I'll see you on the next one.